Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make coconut ice. It's a classic melt in the mouth sweet. So let's get started. So in order to make coconut ice, take any square container, apply oil with a brush, add a pan liner or butter paper you call it, and set it aside. So let's start preparing the mixture. In a bowl, I've added 150 grams of powdered sugar, 400 grams of desiccated coconut, 300 ml of condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix all the ingredients properly. Knead the mixture well till it becomes tight. Now divide the mixture in two in order to make two different colors. Take one half and use a base layer without any color. Lay it out evenly. Now on the second half, I've used blue color. You can use color of your choice. Follow step by step recipe and you will get the same result. And with the help of a spatula, make it a clean and a smooth layer. Look how beautiful it is. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut on top and refrigerate it. Once you refrigerate, remove. Now it will become easy once you apply oil and add butter paper. That's the main reason. Now cut the edges if you want to, or you can leave it and cut any shape you prefer. See how lovely it looks, and our coconut ice is ready now. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe with your friends and family, and God bless you all. Thank you very much.